Hello guys, welcome to Ego IFX, and I'm so happy guys again to come again to this video. Now today I want to show you one of the most practical ways that you can even be able to pass your Ftmo or whatever prop firm that you want to use with only one trade, and maybe just by trading one pair. So this is going to be a very powerful video, guys. So I'm looking forward to sharing this on with you guys. And remember, here I trade market structure and price action. That is what I trade. All right, that is what I'm always looking for. So guys, remember to like and to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much guys for your subscription, and keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next video. All right, so I want to show you a trade here on odd JPY. This was a trade that it played out so well, though I came out of this trade before it could finish playing out. But well, I'm so amazed, and I realized that this is one of the most practical ways of which you can even pass your Ftmo. So you don't need to, maybe even with just one trade, because actually with this one trade, you could have just been able to bag your 10%. I think they want 10% or something of the sort. So let's go into it. So this is all JPY. This is a trade that I took, and I'm going to show you the results. Okay, I'm going to show you the results of how this played out. So let me take this back. All right, so now let's look into it. So from the weekly time frame, this is just the overall, the direction of the market. So you can see that here we had a downward trend, then now we are having an upward trend, of which we're expecting this market to come down this way, perhaps to give us a double bottom or maybe a triple bottom before we see a push to the upside, or even you can call this letter W. So that is just the overall direction of the market. So this is a weekly time frame. So this is just a bigger time frame, of which I just use it to to just check the direction of the market, and to see where the market is going to go. So you can see here that based on this structure that has formed here, I'm actually anticipating for a strong move to the downside all the way up to here, or even if it doesn't reach here, then we see that we can able to get the 90%. That is why we have what you call the 90% rule. Okay, beautiful. So let's go to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, now you see it very clear. All right, so you can see that I do my trend line because of these touches over here. Then also on the bottom here we had some touches over there. Then there was something interesting somewhere around here, and as you can see up here, and I told you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know what I'm always looking for. And look at this structure over here. So the market was on an upward trend. Okay, the market was going up, then it started consolidating to the upside, then it broke out, then I saw this this pattern over here. So definitely I was anticipating for a move to the downside. Okay, that is what I was anticipating for. Because of this structure over here, there was a breakout, then there was this flag over here. So I knew that this market was going to go down. So I drew my structure on the 4-hour time frame over here. This is where I do my structure, and I was targeting this level over here because I knew that this market, once it breaks over here, to come all the way to here, either to come to 90%, or sometimes it can actually break and maybe come down a bit before it goes up. But even this one looks like it might continue going now because of the overall picture on the higher time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, why I took this trade is because after this breakout over here, it gave me a very, very, very beautiful flag over here. So what did I do? I knew that this is just a matter of time, because after the breakout, I'm looking for a flag that is a confirmation for me to go down. And then you can see that I entered my buys over here, then you can see that my stop loss was just 31 pips, and then look at my target. Initially my target was 4.85% and I'm risking 1% to make 4.85%. Right, so now I have a calculator here. I have a calculator here on my FX books. You can go there. So let's look at that. So let's look at all JPY. All right, let's assume that you took a 100k account, or 200k. Let's assume just 100k as an example, because this is what I was doing the trial with. Then the risk to reward ratio is 1%. Okay, then the stop loss pips was 31.1. So you type that, then you calculate. So you can see that the lot size to use is 4.22, and the money to risk is $1,000. All right, so if you risk 1,000, it means that because we are making 4.85, it means that at the end of the day you are going to make it's going to be 1,000. all right, then you multiply by what? By 4.85. okay, which comes to I think it comes to 48.50. So you can imagine one trade like this, it gave you 48.50. okay, then let's assume that you even took 2 trades. okay, so how much money is that you will have made with this trade? So that means that you will have made 9,700. And look, the target is what? The target is 10k. So it means that just one trade you could have made 9.75%. yeah, one trade, just one trade. That is why I'm saying that. That's why I normally tell people that, look, don't joke with market structure and don't joke with price action. And even if you look at this trade, you can see that we had a zero drawdown. all right, though I came out of this trade earlier. I think I came out at around 2,500. When I was at 2,500, I had opened 2 trades, so I was at 5k. That is when I came out. But I'm just amazed. This was just like 2 days ago, a day ago. I just looked at this trade today in the morning, and let me show you guys what happened. Look at this. This was 7.1. okay, let's look at that. Look at that. This trade played out 7.1%. Even if you could have just taken one trade, risked 1%, you could have made 7.1%. That means you'll be now looking for what? For only 2.9% for you to complete your what? For you to complete your Ftmo or whatever prop firm that you're using. All right, now let's assume that you took 2 trades. You took 2 trades. That means you're risking 2% of your account, which is still fine. You can risk 2% of your account. Okay, that means that if it hit a loss, you have only made a loss of what? A loss of $2,000. But look at it, it played out to 7.1. That means that you could have been able to make 14.2%. And look, you need only 10% to pass. So it means that this one trade will have been able to make you will have been able to help you to pass your what? Your Ftmo or your whatever. Let me talk about Ftmo because I like them, and I'm not doing advertising for them. I just like Ftmo. yeah, all right. So it's so amazing. That's why you need to understand the power of market structure. You need to look for high probability setup. Look at this trade. There was 0 drawdown. The moment I entered my trade over here, straight, I was in profit. Okay, and let me show you how this went on. So guys, look at this. This is a trade here, all JPY. Look at the lot size, 4.22, and then look at the date. Start my 11th May, just 2 days ago. Though I closed it. I opened 2 trades. Then I closed it at 2,500. At 2,500, I had my 5,000 profit over there. So that's like halfway me to complete this. So you can see that if I could have just held on to this, it's just because I had some meetings and I had to do some things and I was not able to monitor the trade. That's why I didn't want to leave them running. But you can see that I've shown you practically from the charts. This could have gone all the way to 7% and 7%, 14%. That means that this Ftmo 100k Ftmo account will have just passed with 1 trade. So it is practically possible. So it is practically possible, guys. And what is it? Just understand what? Market structure, right? That is what you need to understand. Yeah, that is what you need to understand. It's clear, it's straightforward. Yeah. So I'm so excited about these guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you need my help, you can always reach me. I have a free Telegram group. You can hit me up there. We can help you. If you want to join my VIP group, where I share these trades, high probability trades, and stuff like that, you can always hit me up. And then if you also need signals, I'm sure we can be able to provide signals for you. But I don't like just feeding people like that. I like to teach you so that you understand what we are looking for and the direction that the market and what you are looking for and stuff like that. So guys, this is beautiful, this is powerful. Let me know in the comment section what you think. This is Eagle Eye FX coming to you. Remember to hit that subscribe button, remember to like this video, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Eagle Eye FX signing out.